Hello students, welcome to the computer class. Let's start with computer class. In this video, we are going to study lesson number 1, Know Your Computer. Children, in this lesson, we will learn about features of computer in work areas and computer-like machines. We see many things around us. Some of them are man-made like car, TV, refrigerator, washing machine, fan, etc. While others are natural like trees, sun, moon, stars, rivers, mountains, birds, animals, etc. Students, do you know what is machine? Machine is a man-made thing. It makes our work easier and faster. Man made machine to help him. Machines are man-made devices. Machines work very fast. Machines save our time and energy. Most of the machines run on electricity. Machines are accurate. We use different machines for doing different kinds of work. This is a TV. It is a machine. It uses electricity to work. We use TV to watch cartoons and movies. This is a refrigerator. It is a machine. It uses electricity to work. We use refrigerator to keep food and drinks cold and fresh. This is a washing machine. It uses electricity to work. It is used to wash dirty clothes. Now we will learn what is a computer. This is how a computer looks like. A computer is an electronic machine which is used to store data or information. It helps us in many ways and used at different places. Computers is a smarter machine than other machines because it allows us to do many tasks on it. Let's see which are the parts of computer. Parts of computer. A computer is made up of following basic parts. Monitor. A monitor which looks like a TV screen. CPU. A CPU that is central processing unit which is the brain of computer. Keyboard. A keyboard is used for typing. Keyboard is one of the important parts of a computer. It has many buttons on it called keys. Mouse. A mouse which is a pointing device. It is small in size and has a wire-like tail which is attached to the CPU box. Speakers. The speakers which are used to listen the sound. Computer is very useful. Today, computers play a very important role in every area of life. We can do our work very easily. But there are many things a computer cannot do. Let's do one activity. Take the things for which We can use computers cross when you think it cannot be used. Tina is drawing on paper. Can she also draw using a computer? Tina can draw using a computer. Yes, she can draw using a computer. You can use a fridge to keep food items cool and fresh. Can a computer be used as a fridge? Can computer keep food items cool and fresh? No. So we cannot use computer as a fridge. You can make fresh fruit juice in your mixer grinder. Can a computer be used as a mixer grinder? No, we cannot use computer as a mixer grinder. Now, let's see what is the features or qualities of a computer. A computer has some wonderful features that make it different from human. First is speed. A computer can work very fast with a great speed. A human needs much more time to do any work as compared to a computer. Next is accuracy. A computer never makes mistakes. It gives us the correct result without any error. It is very accurate and reliable. A human being can make mistakes. Next is storage. A computer can store large amount of data or information in its memory. Computer never forget anything. This data can be used at any time. A human being may forget the information stored in his mind. Next is consistency. A computer does not lose its concentration. A computer does not get tired and can work for long hours. A human being needs rest after working for some time. Next is versatility. A computer can perform different types of tasks. While man performs limited tasks at one time. It is helpful in schools, hospitals, offices, etc. It is a versatile machine. Next is reliability. A computer performs many tasks at a fast pace. It is a very reliable machine. It is designed in a way that makes maintenance easy. Next is feelings. A computer does not have any feelings. If you pinch a computer, it does not react. A human has feelings. If you pinch your friend softly, he feels it. Next is order. A computer works on human's order. A human being does not need any order to work. Next is decision. A computer cannot take its own decision. A human being can take his own decision. Next topic is computers in work areas. Let's see places where computers are used and for what purpose. Now, let's learn in detail about the uses of computer in different fields. Education. Computers are used to maintain students' records in school. It helps teacher in teaching. Computers are used to keep fee records and track book records in library. Teachers use computer to make timetables, report cards, etc. Students can solve different kinds of problems easily using the computer. They can also collect information from the internet. Computers are also used in research. Next is entertainment. Computers are used for entertainment purposes. They are used to make drawings. They are also used for making cartoons and animated movies. We can also play and listen to the music on computer. Next is transport system. Computers are very useful in transportation today. They are useful in both land and air transportation. Computers help in booking tickets and provide information about the arrival and departure of trains and flights. We can find out the details of buses, trains, or flights available to our desired destination. The timing and updates on delays can also be checked through this computer. Next is banking. Computers are used in banks to store records of account holders. Computers are used to keep a record of the cash. Most banks provide the facility of ATMs. Customers can withdraw money through the ATM card at any time. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It is a device used for banking transactions. Next is medical. Computers are used in every area of the medical field. Computers are also used in the hospitals. In hospitals, the computers are used to maintain patients' records. It also helps the doctor to diagnose the disease. It helps doctor to perform operations, and it is also used to prepare medical report of the patients. Now we will learn hard words of this lesson. Accuracy. Accuracy. Accuracy means correctness of values or result. Next, ATM. ATM. ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. It is a device used for banking transactions. Next, consistency. Consistency. Consistency means quality of always performing in a similar way. Next, diagnosis. Diagnosis means the identification of the nature of an illness or other problem by examination of the symptoms. Next, reliability. Reliability means quality of performing consistently well. Next, storage. Storage means space or a place for storing data. Next, versatility. Versatility means able to be used for multiple purposes. In next lecture, we will learn another computer work areas and computer-like machines. Hope you all are enjoying this video. Thank you.